All right, so the plate joiner comes in two pieces, one and two. Okay, you're gonna wanna flip those upside down. Okay, and if you have a power jointer, you can run this over it and joint those a lot better, have a perfect fit. But ultimately, you're gonna add these slats, sort of like feet. You're gonna add the third. The fourth is the widest one in the middle, and then the sixth over here, and that will all be glued up flush. So when it's put together, it will look like this. Okay, with this slat down the middle to reinforce that joint. Okay, as well as give you room to clamp under it, which has to do with the actual joining process. Okay, then you have your three wedges. Okay, they are also numbered. 3, there's 2, there's 1. Okay, once it's assembled, your fence is adjustable. Okay, so it can move to fit whatever size soundboard. If your soundboard's too big for this jig, then it's too big for any guitar, so it needs to be trimmed. Okay, but you'll adjust that to where you need. Your soundboard goes in, you put a little pressure on it, then this slat goes over the center seam, okay, and it allows it, the channel allows the glue joint to dry. Of course, put wax paper down as always, and then you'll put a clamp coming in here and here, lightly clamped, and apply more pressure on the plate joiner, and then increase the pressure on the clamps, and you'll have a perfectly joined top. It might take a little bit of practice, but it's a very simple, effective way to join soundboards and backs. So, hope that works out well for you. If you have any questions, let me know.